If this video feels a bit fast for your pace, or if you'd rather just watch my hands with soft music instead of listening to my velvet voice, good news, there's an almost uncut extended version on my channel where you can fold the rows with me in real time. Hello paper enthusiasts, my name is István, welcome to my channel ORiGamiaround. So, recently I came across one of my favorite old paper flower photos, this beautiful yellow rose, and I realized I'd never made a tutorial video for it. The photo is almost 10 years old, so it was about time. If you have been following the channel, you know I like to use a simple lotus model as a base. It's one of those wonderfully easy to fold designs where you just connect the units with wire or a rubber band and then fold the petals back in the right order. Using this same method, I previously created my lotus rose and my peony branch. I recommend checking out those videos too. Now let's see what you will need for the gradient colored rose. I will be using thick toned paper, mostly because I happen to find a pack of it with beautiful colors, and also because its extra thickness works perfectly for this model. It won't tear as easily as thinner paper. Of course, you can make it from regular colored office paper or origami paper too, just be a bit careful as thinner sheets might tear when you fold this model. In addition to the toned paper, I also be using wire, glue and a few tools, scissors, this Leathercraft old tool, pliers and a ruler for measuring. I will be folding the petal units from rectangles measuring 9 by 4.5 centimeters. You can measure and cut them precisely one by one, or if you are as lazy as I am, once you have cut the first one, you can just use it as a template to speed things up. I will be folding 3 units from each of 3 colors, so 9 pieces in total. Of course, you can use just one color or 2 colors, it will still look lovely. Feel free to mix and experiment according to your taste. Now let the folding begin. Take your rectangle and fold it in half. At one end, fold both corners toward the center line. Now turn the paper and at the other end repeat the same steps. Now fold it in half again. Just like this. Next, fold the bottom edge up to the center, like this. And repeat it on the other side as well. That's 1 unit done, 8 more to go. When all the units are ready, I will put them in groups of 3. Now I will tie them together in the middle with a piece of green colored wire. To find the exact center for the wire, you can just fold the 2 pieces on the sides in half. That will give you the precise midpoint. And now I will twist the wire tightly with pliers, but be careful not to overdo it. If it's too tight, the wire might cut through the paper, and if it's too loose, it just won't hold your flower together properly. unfold the outer units like this, perpendicular to the middle one. Next, I will start folding up the petals, beginning with the innermost three. And don't forget to adjust the bottom part as well. Always leave one petal in between as you go around the model. Then move on to the next three petals. They should overlap nicely like bricks or roof tiles or maybe scales, whichever it reminds you of. Now fold up the next three as well. And at this point, choose the ones that will overlap two of the petals you already folded up. From here, just keep repeating this process until you have folded up all the petals of your rose. If you are using a thinner type of paper, be extra careful at this stage. The petals can tear quite easily. Okay, it's already looking quite nice, but now I'm going to curl the petals downward. This time I will go in the opposite order, working backwards basically, and again always skipping one in between, just like before. That's what makes the result look balanced and aesthetically pleasing. The thickness of the paper really helps here too. It lets me curl the petals confidently with this metal tool. And do not worry if you don't have a tool like this, because any thin sturdy stick will do, even a toothpick. You can even use your fingers, but it won't give you such neat, even curls. Go around one layer at a time. The further you go inward, the less you will want to curl the petals. At the top I only slightly curl the petals back. And we're done, although as you can see the center still looks rather empty. So I'm going to make a little stamen-like piece for the middle. For the stamen, I will cut 2 strips of green colored paper, each 9 cm long. And now I will finely cut them up with straight bladed scissors. The more evenly you cut, the nicer it will look. This time I will trim them to give them a sharper look, but square ends can be beautiful as well. My paper is 3 cm high, but you will see that I will need to fold some of it back. Otherwise it would stick out too much from the rose's center. Folding the bottom also makes the base of our stamen piece nice and firm, which helps it glue securely into the middle of the flower. The next step is twirling the paper strips together. And now I will glue my 2 stamen strips together. As a finishing touch, I'm gently pressing down the center so it resembles a stamen more closely. And now it's ready to be glued into place. Finally, I will make some green sepals for the base of the flower. For that, I will use a 9.5 cm green square and fold a simple traditional lily model. I have several lily tutorials on my channel, and I will put the link of the best one for you in the description. Once it's ready, I will simply punch a small hole so I can thread the wire through and then glue it to the bottom of the rose. And that's it. Our gradient rose is complete. You can make it in so many variations, the color combinations are entirely up to your imagination. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please support me with a like and subscribe to my channel for more paper flower tutorials in the future. If you'd like to go a step further, you can also support me on Patreon, where you will occasionally get early access videos and behind the scenes photos. And if you make this flower yourself, don't forget to tag me so I can find it on social media. That's all for today. As always, have fun folding. Bye bye.